How to delete Linktree account using Linktree mobile app. So let's get started. Open the app. I don't know if it's me, but I couldn't find it. It took me like 5 minutes, so that's why I'm doing this video. And if you scroll all the way down, click on your profile picture, scroll all the way down, and there is this small button or like text, delete account. If you click on it, you have to write here, delete my account, and then just confirm, yes, delete my account. Be aware, you can't take it back. So they're gonna delete all your links and the whole account, and if you wanna bring it back, there's no way. So make sure you are really sure you wanna delete this account, and that's it. This is how can you do it. So one more time, click on your profile picture, and if you scroll all the way down, there's a delete account. Click on it. Here, just write this text, delete my account, confirm with yes, delete my account, and that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or like, and if you want to see more tutorials videos in the future, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.